Hi, this is Scott Nato of Fairway Exteriors. When you're thinking about windows in Mission Hills, unfortunately, one thing we got to think about is we got to take into account what the city and what the Architectural Review Board, the ARB, they do have certain guidelines. Like you can't put sliders in front of homes. They want to see certain styles of grids. I'm happy to talk about what you want in your home and your budget. And we could certainly go before them and plead the case of, hey, there's 3 other new builds on the same street. You let them do grids between the glass. We'd like to do the same thing based on budget. Normally, if you're gonna do the same grid style, the same pattern, they'll work with us and work with you. But when you think about windows in Mission Hills, you really have to go fiberglass composite. You can't do vinyl. And then really, we gotta make sure we're working within the city's guidelines and standards. Because unfortunately, if not, they might show up one day after you've already installed them and have you rip them out and ask to pay a fine until you do.